Well, tree ferns in England, almost always we recommend Dicksonia antarctica. It's a totally stunning architectural plant, and you can see what's happened here is normally in its natural environment in Australia it will stay evergreen. Here it won't, and the old fronds just drop down and form a little bit of a skirt on the outside, and the new fronds pop up from the middle. Tree fern feed will make a difference. You'll probably double your fronds with tree fern feed. And these are in the fernery down here at Bowdens in Devon, and we've created a stumpery as well with old oak and chestnut stumps, and it's the difference in the frond and the way they're displayed in their greenery against the harsh nature of the stumps that makes it look so fun. Again, a lot of these ferns just coming out, I find them very restful. Ferns are fabulous. We bought Martin Rickard's fern business 7 years ago, and we've gone from strength to strength. So Dicksonia antarctica, if you're looking for a tree fern that will do well, and any of these ferns will grace your garden. I think they're brilliant.